Welcome to qnawire.
For this problem on the topic of particle physics, we are given experimental data for the sigma minus particle, the neutral xi particle, the delta plus plus particle, and the omega minus particle. We want to know which of these particles has the largest and smallest mass, and then by the decay modes that are shown in the table, we want to know for which of these particles will the decay products have the greatest and lowest kinetic energies. Now, from the table, the masses are as follows. We have the sigma minus particle with a mass of 1197 mega electron volts by c squared. The neutral xi particle has a mass of 1315 mega electron volts by c squared. The delta plus plus particle has a mass of 1232 mega electron volts by c squared, and the omega minus particle has a mass of 1672 mega electron volts by c squared. So we can see from here that the omega minus particle has the largest mass and the sigma minus particle has the smallest mass. Next, for part B, if we solve the equation MIC squared equal to the mass of the products from the decay times C squared plus K for K, we get the kinetic energy to be the initial mass minus the mass of the products MP times C squared. Therefore, the greater the difference between the mass of the decaying particle and the mass of the decay products, the greater the kinetic energy. So we show the decays and the mass differences as follows. For the sigma minus particle, we have a neutron plus a pi minus particle. And so the kinetic energy is 1197 minus 939.6 minus 139.6 mega electron volts, which is 117.8 mega electron volts. For the neutral xi particle, we have a neutral lambda particle plus a neutral pi particle, and the kinetic energy K is equal to 1315 minus 1116 minus 135 mega electron volts. This is mega electron volts by c squared. And this is a total of 64 mega electron volts by c squared. For the delta plus plus particle, we have a proton plus a positive pion, and the kinetic energy is 1232 minus 938.3 minus 139.6 mega electron volts by c squared, which is 154.1 mega electron volts by c squared. And lastly, for the sigma minus particle, we have a neutral lambda particle plus a K minus particle with the kinetic energy 1672 minus 1116 minus 493.7 mega electron volts by c squared, which is 62.3 mega electron volts by c squared. So we can see that the kinetic energy is largest for the delta plus plus particle and is the smallest for the sigma minus.